If you want to be very successful in making money online with really any type of business model, especially affiliate marketing and promoting products, you're going to have to incorporate a few of these techniques. And luckily we can actually do all of them within one single platform. That platform is Jasper AI, and so I'm going to be walking you through all of Jasper's features right now. Now, a lot of the leads in my email list will ask me, why should I purchase Jasper AI subscription when I can be using ChatGPT for free? And that is a valid question for sure, but by the end of this video, you will see why Jasper leads all other AI companions in marketing your business. So let's go ahead and open Jasper up. Now, if you don't have Jasper yet or don't know what it is, you can go to this URL right here and download this entire list of all the best AI tools and find the tool Jasper so you can sign up. Now, once you're here in the dashboard, there's a couple things I want to mention. First off, Jasper has its own chatbot, similar to ChatGPT, where if you were to come in here, you're able to type in really whatever you want and get lightning fast responses. And these responses are always optimized for content purposes. For example, I'll ask Jasper Chat for the top 5 AI tools that I can leverage for my business. And it will spit out this response based on research and deep algorithm learning capabilities. So again, similar to ChatGPT, but it's a very useful addition to this all-in-one package. Now let's dive into the templates. This is the gold mine of Jasper, and really what I'm looking forward to showing you. So if you look at all these templates that Jasper has for optimizing your business, your ads, blogs, emails, marketing, SEO, your social media, and so much more. So I'm going to be going through a couple of the most useful ones. First, let's start with the dynamic template. Now this can generate a completely unique template for your design and game plan around any idea, product, or concept. For example, if I want to make a template on turning short form content into cash, I'll press enter and then I'll enter the fields that Jasper has customized for me here. So the content type, monetization method, and target audience. And keep in mind, these are all completely unique templates that Jasper creates for us. So I'll fill these fields out and press generate. And Jasper will start to create this amazing template that will essentially break down these strategies in the best way possible. Now I use this a lot when brainstorming ideas for new affiliate products and ways I can drive traffic to them. Now let's go back into templates. Another one I want to show you is the YouTube script hook and introduction and the YouTube video titles. These are super important templates when creating content on YouTube, and I cannot stress this enough. This has saved me so much time, and it has also driven so much more traffic to my videos. Now let's go into the video script and hook. So what you want to do is type in your video title and the tone of voice. So here I'll type in the AI Cash Course short form content into cash, and I'll be using a professional tone. Now in seconds, Jasper will spit out a script for a viral YouTube video hook. And as you guys know, the first 30 seconds, and really I mean the first 15 seconds of your video, play a crucial role in the success of your video in the future. And so this is an extremely useful template that you can use to captivate your audience right from the start. Now for the YouTube title, it's the same principle, but this will optimize your SEO for your YouTube titles. This way you can create engaging, click-worthy titles that will rank you on YouTube. Now if you're running Facebook ads or Google ads, you can apply this same principle to these templates as well. So it will optimize your ad headlines and your ad descriptions. This way you can have high converting copy and add this to these sections of your ads. Again, this is super helpful when you're trying to scale your business and scale fast. You're able to engage your audience through paid ads that are fully optimized. Now another template that's very, very useful especially when promoting a product through affiliate marketing or your own product. Jasper has this personalized cold email template. Now, this is very effective for writing cold emails that actually work and get responses. So you can utilize this, fill in the context here, like, you tell Jasper about the product, your company or product name, and then any context that you want to include in the email, and again, the tone of voice, and Jasper will optimize these emails that will have very high converting rates and moving forward with your email campaigns. So again, you can use this template a lot when building out your email campaigns and your autoresponders. Now, there's obviously a lot more templates you can use for optimizing SEO, e-commerce if you're doing that, helping your website content, etc. But I just showed you what I thought are the most effective templates in Jasper. However, I do want to show you one more really helpful feature of Jasper, and that is the Chrome extension. So say I'm writing out an email to my leads and I want to make it more personal, so I'm writing it myself. And as you can see, I'm writing the email out, and if I get stuck writing and need the help from Jasper, you can see this little arrow right here, and you can continue with Jasper. So Jasper will keep writing where you left off to optimize your content. And what's really cool about this is through Jasper's deep algorithm learning, it will start to develop your writing style through learning about how you write content, and then Jasper will optimize it to be closest to your style of writing. And again, here's another feature, Jasper's sidekick with the Chrome extension. If you're browsing anywhere on the internet, you can click on Jasper's logo here and all of your available templates will show up. So you don't actually have to be directly in Jasper's interface to use the features. It can be, you can be plugging in and gathering the content you need right from the extension. And that's all I got today on Jasper's capabilities. There's a whole lot more that I didn't even cover within Jasper's unique features, but I wanted to keep this video short and sweet. So if you want to get started using Jasper AI, I've actually dropped the link in the comments to a free trial of 10,000 words so that you can go in, try out Jasper's chat and all the templates and see if this is the right fit for you. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.